I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can reverse TikTok audio. Before starting the tutorial, I'd like to let you know about TikTok. TikTok is an app where you can create videos easily, join daily live stream and find new creators. Now open up TikTok app on your phone. After you open up the app, select the video with the audio you want to reverse. Then on your right hand side, there you'll see a share icon. Tap on it. After you tap on it, tap on save video. Now that you have saved the video with the audio you want to reverse, go back and open up browser. You can use any browser you want. For now, I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search MP4 to MP3 converter. Here you'll see various websites that converts MP4 to MP3. Tap on any one according to your preference. For now, I'm going to use cloudconvert.com to convert my video to audio. Then tap on select file and then select the TikTok video that you have downloaded earlier. After that, tap on convert. It will take few seconds to convert video to audio. Once done, tap on download. After you have downloaded the audio, search reverse audio on your search bar. Here you'll see various websites that will reverse your audio. Select one according to your preference. For now, I'm going to use mp3cut.net to reverse the audio. After that, tap on open file and select the audio which you have recently converted. It will take few seconds to reverse the video. When it's done, tap on save. This way you can reverse TikTok audio. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.